Hello everybody and welcome back. We're looking at question 19 on the Fermat paper from 2017. A point is equidistant from the coordinate axes if the vertical distance from the point to the x-axis is equal to the horizontal distance from the point to the x-axis. The point of intersection of the vertical line x equals a with the line with equation 3x plus 8y equals 24 is equidistant from the coordinate axis. What is the sum of all possible values of a? Okay. So when we're talking about, let's get ourselves a fresh piece of paper. When we're talking about these equidistant points, things like 2, 2 spring to mind because it's a distance 2 away from the x-axis and 2 away from the y-axis. But it's not the only one that's 2 away from both axes. Okay, we can get 2, negative 2. Or negative 2, negative 2. These are all 2 away from both axes. Okay, and when we start to think about this, we realize, well, all of the equidistant points, as they call them, lie on these two lines here. Y equals x and y equals negative x. These are going to be all the equidistant points. And when we realize that, this question turns more into intersection of lines. So we've got 3x plus 8y is 24, and we want to intersect that with y equals x. And we want to intersect that with y equals negative x. And whatever the x coordinate is would be our a. Okay, so we'll just take it in turns. So the first one will intersect with y equals x. So we've got 3x plus 8x is 24. Just going to solve for x in each case. So that's 11x is equal to 24. 24 over 11. And that would be our a value here. Okay. So that's one possible value for a. X being 24 over 11 will intersect here with x being 24 over 11 and y being 24 over 11. And that will be equidistant from both axes. So our other possibility is to intersect with y equals negative x. And then we get 3x plus 8 times negative x is 24. And that's going to be 3x minus 8x. Or negative 5x is 24. X is going to be 24 over negative 5. Or I'm probably going to say negative 24 over 5. So that's another possibility. And those are the only two. Okay? So those are the only two possibilities. So we wanted to add them up. Well, we could get our calculator out, but they gave us answers in fractions. Let's try and keep it as a fraction. Multiply by 5 here. We'll get 120 over 55. And subtract. And then multiply it by 11 on top and bottom. 264 over 55. And then take the difference, so the hundreds will cancel out, and 20, so it'll be negative 144 over 55, and that doesn't simplify anymore, but that is going to be our final answer, negative 144 over 55, and hopefully that is somewhere. It is, it's B, and that's going to be our answer. All right. So that wraps up question 19 quite nicely. In the next video, we're going to take a look at question number 20. Thank you guys as always for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. So long.